Simplify your life with the best kitchen gadgets of 2023. Welcome back. In our latest video, we've curated a collection of the best kitchen gadgets available to help make your decision-making process easier. We understand that there are a plethora of options out there, which can make it difficult to choose the right gadget for your needs. That's why we've done the hard work for you and selected the most useful and innovative products on the market. For more information on these gadgets, including their latest pricing, be sure to check out the video description. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you find our selection helpful. Best Pressure Cooker. Instant Pot Duo. Let's start with the Instant Pot Duo. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that has become increasingly popular among home cooks. As the name suggests, it offers 7 different functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, and warming. With its ability to handle a variety of cooking tasks, the Instant Pot Duo is a valuable addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of the Instant Pot Duo is its ability to cook meals quickly and efficiently. Thanks to its high-pressure cooking setting, it can significantly reduce cooking times, making it a great option for busy families or anyone looking to save time in the kitchen. The slow cooking function is also a useful feature for those who prefer to cook meals over a longer period of time. Another advantage of the Instant Pot Duo is its ease of use. The intuitive control panel makes it simple to adjust the settings for each cooking function, and the clear LCD display provides easy-to-read information about cooking times and temperature. OXO Good Grips Pro. Next is the OXO Good Grips Pro. This OXO Good Grips Pro Swivel Peeler is an exceptional kitchen tool that offers superior performance, durability, and comfort. Its innovative design, ergonomic handle, and sharp blade make it one of the best peelers on the market. One of the most notable features of the OXO Good Grips Pro Swivel Peeler is its blade. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the blade is extremely sharp and durable, making it easy to peel fruits and vegetables with minimal effort. The swivel head allows the blade to move smoothly across the surface of the produce, ensuring a clean and even peel every time. In addition to its sharp blade, the Pro Swivel Peeler also boasts an ergonomic handle. The handle is designed to provide a comfortable and secure grip, even when the peeler is wet or slippery. The soft, non-slip grip also helps to reduce hand fatigue, making it easier to use for extended periods of time. Best Whisk Set. Ouddy 5-Pack. Next, we have the Ouddy 5-Pack. We were impressed by the variety of sizes and shapes included in the set, making them versatile for all sorts of cooking tasks. The silicone is heat-resistant and flexible, making them easy to use and clean. Plus, the vibrant colors also make them a fun addition to any kitchen. It comes with 3 different size whisks, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch. And you can use the largest whisk for pancake batter, the mid-size one for beating eggs, and the smallest for blending a small batch of sauces. Best Immersion Blender. Cuisinart CSB 179. Next up, we have the Cuisinart CSB 179. This powerful tool made blending smoothies and soups a breeze. The stainless steel blade is durable, and the adjustable speed settings make it easy to achieve the perfect consistency. It's also easy to clean and store. So, from pureeing soup to emulsifying mayonnaise to whipping meringues, this hand blender consistently delivers chef-caliber results. Plus, it also features 300 watts of pure power, as well as a comfort grip handle and push-button control for continuous or pulse action. Best Can Opener. Zyliss Lock and Lift. Next is the Zyliss Lock and Lift. The Zyliss Lock and Lift can opener was another standout product. It made opening cans a breeze, thanks to its sharp blade and comfortable grip. Plus, the locking mechanism ensured that the lid wouldn't fall into the can after opening. The Lock and Lift also comes with a magnet on the front for easy lid removal and hands-free disposal. And to release the lid, you can simply pull the lever found underneath the can opener for hands-free disposal. Best cutting board, Epicurean. Next is Epicurean. The Epicurean cutting board was a great addition to our kitchen. Made from eco-friendly materials, this board is durable, easy to clean, and gentle on knives. Plus, the non-slip bottom kept it in place while we were chopping. Its thin profile is lightweight and can be used on both sides, while its built-in thumb hole allows for easy storing. Best electric wine opener, Oster. Next is Oster. The Oster electric wine opener was a hit with our wine-loving panelists. This opener made opening wine bottles a breeze, and the rechargeable battery ensured that it was always ready to go. It works with both natural and synthetic corks, and the included foil cutter removes seals in no time and opens bottles in seconds. Best mortar and pestle, Cole and Mason. Lastly, we have the Cole and Mason. The Cole and Mason mortar and pestle was a great addition to our spice collection. The heavy-duty ceramic material made grinding spices a breeze, and the wide base ensured that it was stable while in use. Even better, since granite is non-porous, spices and oils will not be absorbed into the stone. And with this kitchen mortar and pestle set, your spices and oils will retain their true flavor and strength. Overall, we were impressed with all of these kitchen gadgets and would highly recommend them to anyone looking to up their cooking game. And if you have any products you'd like us to review, leave us a comment below and we'll add it to our list.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.